We're with Ryan Tegnelia. Ryan is a criminal defense lawyer in San Diego, California. He's agreed to answer some online questions. These were posted specifically related to DUI. With that said, Ryan's going to the first question. First question was, can I avoid jail with the first-time DUI?
Yes. It depends on what county you're in and what other facts of your case there are. How high was your blood alcohol level? Was there an accident, anything like that? But if it's a standard first offense DUI case in San Diego County, then yes, it is possible to get a sentence with no jail. Other counties in and around Southern California, most notably Orange County, hand out a lot more jail time. But in San Diego, it's uncommon for someone to get an actual custodial sanction on a first offense non-injury DUI.
All right. Next question was, does it make a difference how far I am from how far you are from a legal limit to blow? Basically, when you blow, how much does it matter if you're a long ways out?
Yeah, it certainly does. If you're really low, where you're within the margin of error, by that we mean that most experts are going to testify that the chemical tests that we currently use have an error rate of 0.02, either above or below. So if you blow a 0.10, then most experts will testify that your real blood alcohol level at that time could have been as low as a 0.08 or as high as a 0.12. So if you're like a 0.09 or something like that, where you're within the margin of error of being guilty at all, then you're more likely to get, better offers out of the prosecutor's office. However, there are special allegations that can be added, and the judges take it a lot more seriously the farther up the ladder you go. There's a cutoff at 0.15 where they attach a special allegation that doesn't give any mandatory punishment, but just sort of informs the court that this is an especially egregious case. And then as far as the judge's guidelines, the Judicial Council, well, rather the judges of the county publish every year what the standard sentencing guidelines are. And it's sort of a baseline that they use. And then, you fight about whether you're going to be above or below the guidelines. And the baseline goes up at 0.20 and 0.25. And then after that, that's the cutoff, because if you're any higher than that, then the judge is definitely going to weigh in, and you're looking at some additional consequences.
Okay, the last question we had is, can a DUI case be settled out of court?
No. I mean, if you're saying, like, do we have a diversionary program where you do a couple of things and then the case just never goes to court, never hits your record, or it's just dismissed after some classes or something like that, then no, we do not offer those, with one notable exception that I'm not going to bring up because it's up on appeal right now. But generally speaking, that is not an option for people on a DUI case.
All right. If you have any other questions for Ryan, just post them in the comments section below, and he'll get back to you with an answer.
Yep. And as always, feel free to call me at 619-577-0868. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Ryan.